Hi everyone, it's Maggie and I'm here with a project share. This is a design team project for May for Crafty Me Shop on Facebook. And I'm pretty sure everything I used is Crafty Me Shop. If there's something that isn't, then I'll let you know. And a link to the group will be in the description box because that's the only way that you can buy the laces, appliques, vintage stuff, all that is by joining the Facebook group. So let's see. Oh, and the prints that I used are Patty Lang, Sacred Mementos. There'll be a link to her channel in the description box. And let's get started. This is a mini journal. Well, no, it's not a journal. It's a mini fabric book. And it has a couple of pockets that I put some things in, but it's not a journal. So anyway, this is the front cover. And this is a beautiful image that I used. And I started off with a piece of, trying to think now, because I started this a few weeks ago. I think I used a piece of batting, but it wasn't this kind of batting where, I don't think anyways, it was more of a stiffer batting. And then I covered it with, well, I'll show you. I first covered it underneath, which you can't even see, I think it was like a silky type of fabric. And then I covered it with this really wide and long lace trim from Crafty Me Shop. And then the next thing I did was I took, this is another trim, hearts, and it's pink. I'm not sure how well the colors are going to come out as usual, but I think you'll be able to see them. This heart trim here on the spine, and I went around the three perimeters there with first this crocheted trim, and then this flower trim here. Okay, and then the next thing I did was I put the image down, and then I went around the image with this white trim here. This is a part of a much larger applique, pink and silver. And then I added these little pink flowers, and then again I added these little pearls. Over here, this was a piece, this piece was from my stash. The pink bow here is from Crafty Me Shop. It's a, it came in a package of, I forget how many. And then this like ribbon flower here with the pearl in it. And then on the back, I just added this applique here. It has some pink in the middle. I think Esme might have dyed this, but I'm not positive. I've had it for a while. Okay, so then you open it up, and here's the first page. And again, I put the same as this page as the front. I put another layer of the crochet trim, and then this flower trim here. And then I put this wide piece here. Yeah, it's a by the yard trim, and I covered over whatever I had put underneath it. I can't even remember now. I think it was, like I said, on the front. I think I did use the same fabric, and I'm just not sure what the fabric is. I'm not that great at, I mean, I know what satin is, I know what silk is, but I'm just not sure. So then I took this trim here and put it across, and then I added this pink like leafy trim there, and then I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but these are tiny pearls that I adhered to the bottom. I'll show you what those look like so you can see how tiny they are. They're really pretty tiny. And then the other pearls from the front are these here. I just love how this page came out. Okay, and then on this page, here's the image here. She's just beautiful. And I added this wide pink eyelash lace here, and then this like a raspberry colored trim on top of that, then the image, and then I added this piece of a larger applique here, and these two little flowers, and this green piece, the flower and the leaves, excuse me, from another applique. I love the pink and green together. And I went around the perimeter of the three sides, and well, the two sides and the top, with first this gathered trim here, and then this trim on top of that. Oh, excuse me. My sinuses are still pretty bad. And then the middle is two pockets. Let me take this stuff out and I'll show you. Like trying to get I used these earring stoppers I got from Amazon. I used them on the bottom of these stick pins because I'm afraid whoever gets this is going to stick themselves, but it's not staying on very well. Anyway, so these three stick pins go in that side pocket. These here. And then on this side, I added some doilies. This is Crafty Me Shop. This, and it looks handmade. I'm pretty sure it is. And then I just added a few more little doilies that I had in my stash. So those go in that pocket. So on this, I added, this is also another trim, wide lace. Oh my gosh, my words today. I added this on top, and then the same as this side, I added this gathered trim and then this trim around it. And then this is the wide trim I used for the pockets. And then I added this trim on top to finish it off. And I love that with the pink ribbon. And then it just didn't look finished with the flowers. You know, they're all white. So what I did was I took this green, what's it called? Light green, pearl pen from Viva. And I've had this for like at least, I'm going to say 15 years at least. And it still works. I hardly ever use them. I have like 4 or 5 different colors. But then I just dotted every one of these little flowers with the green. And I know it's not going to show up that well, but it does, you know, in person, you can definitely see the green. And then these are the two pockets. And this is Oh, I think I said this is the trim that I put for the actual pockets. So let me put this back in here. Let's see, where are we? 10 minutes. I'm having a problem with my webcam, or when I'm videoing, for some reason it shuts off, I think around 15 minutes, and then I'd have to go to a part 2, and I don't want to do that. So anyway, my gosh, I don't even know if I should show this video, but I guess, I always say I don't edit, so what you see is what you get, so I guess I'll just leave it. Any bloopers or whatever. Okay, and here's the last 2 pages. Isn't she beautiful? So yeah, so I did the pages before I put the book together. So this side is going to mimic this side, just like this is going to mimic this side. That makes any sense at all. So again, everything's the same here as on the first page, except I added this applique in the middle. And then on this side, I added this bridal trim. It's a very pale pink. This flower here, which is, well, these 2 are from my stash. This is a Crafty Me shop. And this piece here, I think it's from my friend Karen, who is Grace B Creations. I think she sent me some of it, and I just cut out the one. You could cut them out like appliques. And then this went with this, and I just added this behind there. And then this is the same wide lace, and as well as this one. So that's it. And there's the end of it. It's a mini, so, there's not a lot of pages. And let's see, I can at least tell you the size of it. So it's about 4.5 by, I won't do the hanging part, 4.5 by 6 or 6.25. So yeah, so that's it. Oh my gosh, I'm a mess here. I haven't been able to video in a couple of weeks, and between my sinus infection and everything else, not feeling well, I don't know. I guess I have to get back in the practice of doing videos again. Excuse me. So before I really start coughing and annoying myself and you all, I am just going to say thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.